Hey guys, I'm at my mom and dad's. I'm in the backyard this time, so welcome to my mom and dad's backyard. Today I'm gonna just plant a bit of garlic. I grew garlic for the first time last year. My dad loves garlic too. So he's got some raised beds here. There's a bunch of morning glory and some weeds I'm gonna pull out. I'm gonna plant just a little bit of garlic. It's music garlic. So awesome to be able to plant things that I grew myself last year in my mom and dad's garden. Very excited about that. And I also have some leftover hyacinth bulbs and tulip bulbs. It's from flowerbulbs.com. Thank you guys so much for sending those. And I'll be planting those in the black containers you see. That's where my dad grew some tomatoes this year. So I'm gonna put some tulips in those containers. I'm gonna go in with some bulb tone. And here's my garlic. And I'm just gonna get to planting. Looks like they've got some strawberry plants in here, so I'm not gonna bother those. I am pulling out the morning glory. They have the sweetest little lobelia. My mother loves lobelia. It looks like it self-seeded in here. I'm not gonna pull out anything that I am unsure of. It's better to just leave it, but I know that these morning glories can go. Okay. Not too bad, really. My mother said it was a mess over here and I was expecting it to look really bad. This does not look bad. Okay. So, much like when you plant your spring blooming bulbs with garlic, you want to plant it pointy side up, flat side down, down a couple inches. Leave a fair amount of spacing. I'm going to do a few inches between each clove. You know, we want them to have the room to grow and to bulk up. So I'm just going to make a few little holes here for my garlic. And I'm only going to do it along this one side here. Nice looking strawberry plants in here. I'm using the bulb tone on the garlic as well because quite honestly that's what I have on hand and it will work just fine. Before I forget, I'm going to make a little label with today's date, November 11th. Mark's birthday was yesterday. I'm going to label it music, garlic, 11/11. That way we can keep track of the garlic and we'll be harvesting this in the summer. I'll just put this tag here so we can look back at it. You can really pick, well, first of all, the flavor. There's nothing like growing your own anything. But with the garlic, you can pick the best cloves, the biggest cloves, and then each year you're going to be planting, and your crops will just get better and better with some of the raised mix, and just go along the top of the whole bed here. It looks like it could use it. The soil level has receded quite a bit. And then I'll top off these pots too. It's fun to work in your own garden, of course, but being able to work in my mom and dad's garden, that's something extra special for me. I just, you know, the memories and being able to do something so nice like this for my mom and dad is pretty special to me. Now these are hyacinths that I'm planting right now, and I'm just going to cover those up with some more soil that I have to go back and get. I am out of soil, but I will run home, get the soil, and top these off. You know what? I'm going to stagger it. I'll do hyacinths in these, and then tulips. So hyacinth, tulip, hyacinth, tulip. I'm really just pushing these down a bit, and then I'm going to come in with a top layer of soil, so we will be good. It's easy as that. My mom and dad's table for their kitchen is right in the window here. So we have a lot of meals here and drink a lot of coffee here. And it's just going to be so amazing to look out and think back on when I planted these. That's part of the joy of gardening for me, you know, that anticipation and that moment to look forward to, especially with tulips, daffodils, and spring blooming bulbs. It's just so satisfying to see those start to come up after a long winter. It's just like, you know, that hope of spring just makes me so happy. So I'm just going to finish up here. I've got to get some bags of soil from my house and bring them over here. I'm going to top off these containers with some of the bulb tone. And yeah, that's it. Easy, easy peasy, a quick project that's going to bring a lot of joy come spring. So thank you guys so much for joining me in my parents' garden. I hope to do more videos here over the season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.